So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to crochet a wire and cord organizer that can also be used as a bookmark. So this is how you're gonna use it. As you can see, this wire. So to make this, you're gonna need 3 colors of yarn. So in this video, I'm gonna be using yellow, red, and green for the bookmark and organizer. And you're also gonna need a 3.5mm hook. So first, we will make the center of the flower. So to make it, we're gonna make a magic ring. And yarn over. And flip it to make it face to you. And next you will make 10 single crochets in that magic ring. Already made 9 single crochets in the magic ring. So next is you're gonna yarn over for the last single crochet, yarn over and bring that yarn in front, and you're gonna clip it with your thumb and take a strand. Now take the other color of the yarn. So clip it with your thumb. So we're gonna change colors here and yarn over and go through the 2 loops of the yellow yarn, and you can bring the 2 excess yarns at the back so that you can crochet it too, and slip stitch on the first single crochet. You're gonna tighten the ring. And now we're gonna make 2 chains. After that, you're gonna yarn over and insert your hook in the first stitch where you slip stitched, and make 2 double crochets on the same stitch. Then yarn over and insert your hook on the next stitch and make another 2 double crochets on the same stitch. After that, you're gonna make 2 chains and insert your hook on the next stitch and make a slip stitch, and you're done with the first petal. And you're gonna do it again. Make 2 chains, make a double crochet, 2 double crochets on the same stitches, and make another 2 double crochets on the next stitches, and then 2 chains and slip stitch on the next. Now we're on the last petal, and we're gonna be chaining 2 and slip stitching it on the first stitch where we first made the petal, and then chain 1, and we're gonna cut the yarn and pull it so it would tighten. So now we're done with the flower, and now we're gonna be making the long part of the bookmark.